If you think automation is hard and difficult to use in Ableton, watch this because I'm going to make it really easy for you guys. Go ahead and press the letter A, right? A brings up automation. So you can see all of the automation that we have already added to the song. And wherever you've got this little red dot, it means something's been automated. So you can select your mixer. Nothing's been automated there. And you can select the instrument or the effect, and you can see exactly what's been automated. So say, for example, we want this element here automated, we could just go ahead and do that. But if there's a much faster way, so let's just show you guys the faster way. So what we're going to do is just take an effect, and this works for instruments too. Let's just take it, bring it into the system like that. And what we're going to do is just going to click on anything. So click on depth, right? You can see straight away here that depth is moving as you move it with your keyboard, and it's selected it here. So if we select, say, for example, feedback, it's going to select it there. And the good thing is it's super fast. Whatever you need, just select it, and then you can just start automating the values. If you do know your value, just click on edit value there, and you can put a very precise value to the note, and you can just go back and edit again if you want to change it again. If you like this automation and you want to say take it off the group track and say put it in the main track, all you need to do is just press Control C, and you're copying that effect into the main track there, and that automatically copies the automation. Because say, for example, you want to apply that automation to multiple bass tracks or multiple pad tracks, you can do it just simply by copying and pasting. And as you can see, it just literally took me a second. Now, if you want multiple automations, all you need to do is click this little plus button, and you can actually see automation in its own lane. And say, for example, we want to add a different level of automation here. We want to add manual there. Let's just add that. Now we can see both levels of automation, and you can do as many of these as you want. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something, please follow me for more like this.